Okay, very good morning, dear students of Standard 5th. Here are the notes that I have brought for you. That is lesson number 9, Maps Our Companion. Already I have taught you the lesson. So, let us continue with the question answer. ठीक है, आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर जो भी मैं दे रही हूँ आपके नोटबुक में नोट डाउन कर लेना है. See, this is the fill in the blanks that you have to write down. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the bracket. आपको ऊपर fill in the blanks दिया हुआ है ऑप्शन के साथ, नीचे आंसर भी दिया हुआ है, तो आप लिख सकते हो. Dash is the most modern method, that is digital elevation model. The line joining the location of dash height on the map is called contour line, that is same. Third one, in dash the maps are drawn with the help of information obtained through man-made satellite. So the answer is digital elevation model. Okay, so you can stop the video and you can write it down. Now come to next question, that is true or false. State whether the following statement are true or false. In ancient time, maps are mainly used during war. So the answer is true. The contour lines method used different color shade for drawing map. Answer is false. The less distance between the contour line indicate the gentle slope of the land. Answer is false. Water bodies are colored blue in map. So the answer is true. Now, next question is name the following. Okay. See, answers are giving directly over here. So you can write it directly itself. जैसे लैंड फॉर्म में क्या आता है? माउंटेन, हिल, हिलॉक्स, प्लेटू, प्लेन्स, island, etc. A method using the line joining the location of the same height to show the landform. So the answer is contour line method. Third one, the method using different color shade between the contour line to show the landform, that is layer tinting method. Next, the method using information obtained through man-made satellite to show the landform. Answer is digital elevation model. This everything you have to write down in your notebook. Now here are match the following. See, this you have to do it in your book. And here is the answer. Now come to next question. Answer in one word. What are the landform? So the answer is the different shape of land which are formed due to the difference in the height and slope of a land are called landform. Next, what is valley? An extensive low area of a land between the hill or a mountain is called a valley. Third one, what is a contour line? So the answer is a line joining the location of same height on a map is called a contour line. Fourth one, what are the conventional signs? Signs that are used to show various things on a map as per conventions, see, are called conventional signs. Next, in which form are the conventional signs? So conventional sign, see, your first letter is written in capital and here at the end you have to put full stop. Conventional signs are in the form of letter or geometrical shape. What are conventional symbols. Symbols that are used to show various things on a map as per conventional are called conventional symbol. In which form are the conventional symbol? Conventional symbols are in the form of miniature drawing on a respective project. What is a key index on a map? A list of a thing that sign the symbol represent in a map given along with the map is called a key index on a map. For what purpose are the physical map used? Physical map are used in the military operation, tourism, यहाँ पे आपको कॉमा डालना है, drawing up mountains, next is mountaineering route, drawing up mountaineering route, making regional development plan, etc. Okay, so come to next question. Question number 6. Give brief information about conventional signs. So the answer is, you have to write it in point wise only. Signs that are used to show various things on a map as per conventional are called conventional sign. Second point, conventional signs are in the form of letters or geometrical shape. Third point, for example, line, circle, triangle, dot, etc. Next question, give brief information about conventional symbol. So the answer is, symbols that are used to show various things on the map as per convention are called conventional symbol. Second point, conventional symbols are miniature drawing of the respective object. For example, temple, mosque, fort, etc. Now see, this question you have to do it. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के बाद आपको डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 करना है. इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस अंडरलाइन द वर्ड दैट रिप्रेजेंट लैंडफॉर्म एंड प्रिपेयर साइन ऑन द सिम्बॉल फॉर देम. तो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, सोनाली जस्ट लिव जस्ट बियॉन्ड माउंट टकमक. सो आंसर इज माउंट. नीलेश हैज़ गॉन ऑन अ ट्रिप टू भारापुरी आइलैंड. आंसर इज आइलैंड. साइन और सिम्बॉल यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. माउंट का साइन जो दिया हुआ है माउंट के बाजू में ड्रॉ करना है. आइलैंड का जो सिंबल दिया हुआ है वो आइलैंड के बाजू में ड्रॉ करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आपको करना है, प्रिपेयर अ साइन और सिंबल ऑन द फॉलोइंग कंपोनेंट. सी दिस यू हैव टू डू इट. Okay students, so complete your work as soon as possible. Write each and everything in your notebook. Again I will come with a next lesson. Till then, take care. Have a great day.